Welcome back. Police in South Goa have cracked down two major cases on Monday. Two accused persons have been arrested in rape case of a minor girl. Meanwhile, Maina Gurturi police have arrested Santosh Pujari in a Lotli murder case on Monday. However, situation got tensed at late night on Monday following police investigation.
Maina Gurturi police arrested Santosh Pujari in a murder case on Monday. He allegedly murdered a 25-year-old youth, Luis Batiste, at Lotli on Friday night. Luis was found brutally murdered at Kelme Lotli roadside on Saturday night.
He sustained injuries all over his face and other parts of the body with a sharp weapon. We had registered the murder case, and during investigation, we have arrested one accused person, namely Santosh Pujari, a native of Gulbarga, Karnataka, and the investigation is in progress. The motive behind the offence is that the deceased was harassing the accused for the last 3 months on account of demanding money, drinks, etc., and he used to beat him on many occasions.
In another case, Margao police arrested two persons in connection of rape case of a minor girl. A 15-year-old girl from Margao complained that she was raped by 3 persons at 3 different places in the state. In this connection, a bus conductor Wasim Kalaigar, aged 20, has been arrested. Similarly, Raghavendra Pujari, aged 28, who allowed one of the accused to use his juice center premises to rape the minor, has also been arrested.
The victim was taken by the accused person and further subjected to sexual assault, that is rape. In this connection, we have registered a case by crime number 398 of 2012 under section 363, 342, 354, 376 of IPC and section 8 of Goa Children Act. The complicity of the more accused is being probed in this crime with the help of the victim and NGO, Violence Against Srimati Avdar Behaviors, and our LIB team has done a commendable job in apprehending this accused after a massive hunt.
A reporter from Margao, Sameer Bhatt.
Now, a special bench of Bombay High Court at Goa will hear the petition challenging extension in service beyond superannuation of Director of Prosecution Shobha Dhumaskar. This matter was before a division bench comprising of Justice S.J. Wazifdar and Justice U.V. Bakre. But on Monday, Justice Bakre rescued himself from hearing of this matter. Justice U.V. Bakre of High Court of Bombay at Goa on Monday rescued himself from hearing of a petition challenging extension in service beyond superannuation of Director of Prosecution Shobha Dhumaskar. But on Monday, Justice Bakre rescued himself from the hearing of this matter, stating that he and Shobha Dhumaskar, as lawyer, were chamber colleagues. This matter was before a division bench comprising of Justice S.J. Wazifdar and Justice U.V. Bakre, and a notice was issued to State Government and Director of Prosecution Shobha Dhumaskar during last hearing on 24th of September. But on Monday, Justice Bakre rescued himself. Now a special bench will hear this matter. Our reporter from Panchi, Mukesh Kumar. Seems like Margao municipality takes services provided by corporates in a port town for granted. Ambulance provided by Indian Oil Corporation Limited is lying unused from past almost 5 years. There is no driver, no maintenance. Municipality has totally neglected the ambulance and its services. Surendra Madkekar reports.
Have a look at this ambulance. It was provided by the IOC a year back. This service was asked by the then chairperson of Margao municipality, Manish Arolkar. But soon after installation of 108 emergency services by the government, municipality stopped using this ambulance. It has covered only 6,000 kilometers.
2006 IOC एक ॲम्ब्युलन्स दिलेले की लोकांक हेल्प जावचो त्याचो म्युन्सिपाल्टी वरवीं अशें म्हणून एक गाडी दिल्ली, पण ती आतां पळयल्यार ती फुटपाथाचेर जागो ऑक्युपाय करून पडलेली आसा. त्या वेळार अशी म्युन्सिपाल्टीची जी गाडी आसा ताका एक ड्रायव्हर जर दवरलो आनी बरे भशेन जर तेजो ऑक्युपाय लोकांक लागून हेल्प जर मेळ्ळो जाल्यार कितें उपयोग जातलो.
जेन्ना ही एम्ब्युलन्स घेतलेली तेन्ना 108 नासलेले, सो तेन्ना ती गरज एकदम आसलेली. त्याच्या उपरांत 108 येयली आनी हांगासर कितें तरी मातसो दुर्लक्ष जाला. पण हालींच लास्ट मिटिंगेन आमी परत हें घेतला की ती चिकालीम हॉस्पिटलाक दिवची, जेचे करून लोकांची ती सोय जातली.
Though municipality had taken a decision to hand over the ambulance to Chikali Cottage Hospital, the ambulance was never handed over.
एक डिसिजन जर कावन्सील रेजोल्युशन जर घेतलेलें आसा की चिकालीम कॉटेज हॉस्पिटलाक दिवंक जाय जाल्यार तेंचे ते ड्रायव्हराचे अरेंजमेंट करतले, पूण चिकालीम कॉटेजाक जरी एम्ब्युलन्स दिलेले एनी हांव पब्लीक युजाकूच येतली न्ही ती. म्युन्सिपाल्टीक जेन्ना केन्ना गरज आसतली, केन्ना कोणी जर आमकां सुद्दां इमर्जन्सीक आमकां कॉल करता.
However, following media reports, sources informed that late in the evening municipality sent the ambulance for repair. A reporter from Margao, Surendra Madkekar.
And from sports, after a short break, stay tuned.